raw, dusty. This is where the sweetness begins. Thousands of tons of raw material needs real muscle. No room for delay. Everything must run continuously. The journey into the incubator, preparing for the transformation. Taking it up high, this system can swallow a whole field. Steam rises. Temperature begins to climb, ready to be softened.
Must be cleaned. Not a single speck of dust is allowed through. Blast it. High-pressure water knocks out all the dirt.
A clean bath before the oven. This is the gold standard. Millions of liters of water circulating. Endless power. Still dirty? Keep blasting until the skin is shining. Endless. Its scale leaves you breathless. Like an artificial waterfall, washing away all remnants. The final rinse. Smooth, flawless. Amazing! Look how green they are, ready for the slicer. Strict order. Automation lines them up one by one. Like marching soldiers. Not a single cane out of step. Sucked in. This machine crushes everything. Slice. Slice. Perfect cuts, revealing the juicy core. A golden rain. Preparing to extract its soul. Misting again. Keeping the core juicy. Here it is, the ultimate extraction machine. The giant crusher. Crush. The first flow. Raw, cloudy, but incredibly sweet. Look at this lifeblood. A bit rough, but full of potential.
Through a filter, it turns emerald. Much clearer.
The residue is spit out, bone dry, will fuel the furnaces. Goodbye residue. Now, the nectar reveals itself.
Microfiltering. Spinning to catch every precious drop. Pumped through glass, flowing intensely like steel veins.
Into the giant vat, getting ready for a rolling boil to concentrate.
Not just one furnace, but a whole battalion of tanks. Heat at maximum, boiling, evaporating the excess water. Stir it up. Water evaporates, the sugar remains. Thickening up, flowing over cooling slots like golden lava. Into the giant pressure cooker. Rolling boil. The space brightens. Total control technology. Accurate to every degree. Second concentration. Darker, thicker, emitting a seductive caramel scent. Look at that dark ruby color. A refined masterpiece. A waterfall of sugar lava, sticky enough to tempt anyone. Swirling like a storm, the heat is overwhelming. Massive scale. Quiet outside, but a fiery furnace inside. Extreme molasses. The darkest, thickest possible.
Perfect, right? Smooth as velvet. Spreading flat to cool.
Flawless beauty. A masterpiece from raw sugarcane. Stretch it out. Beginning the flexible shaping phase. Viscosity test. Perfect. Coiling up like royal jelly. Ready for packaging. Pouring every precious drop into the jar. Fully automated. Thousands of bottles per hour. Locking in the flavor. High-speed capping, not a drop leaks. Packing robot on duty. Loading them into the box. Sealed tight, ready to be shipped worldwide. An army of boxes. Marching to the trucks. Glowing under the lights. Like gems in cardboard. Stacked on pallets. Wrapped. And loaded into the container. Hit the road. Cross country, bringing sweetness right to your hands.
Here's the destination. The Mega Distribution Center.
Shining on the shelves. Look at how premium they are, right?
Pick the best bottle, take it home, and let it pour.
Measure a bit. And the perfect dessert is ready.
Drench it. The melting butter blends in. Irresistible.
A worldly masterpiece. The result from those rough sugar canes.
Pure essence. A messy beginning. A glorious end.